Featured here on sale is a 2-bedroom villa in a custom-ready state on a 14,000 square foot mountainside site in the Nilgiris. It is located at an altitude of 1,950 metres, adjacent to Katteri Falls, the third largest waterfall in the Nilgiris. It is just 13 kilometres from Coonoor, 15 kilometres from Ooty, and 75 kilometres from Coimbatore International Airport. The villa requires and allows for complete customisation of interiors, fitments and finishes by the buyer. The total built-up area is 2,350 square feet, comprising of 1,600 square feet of living space in the villa, 500 square feet of balcony space, and an adjoining 250 square feet caretaker quarter. Access to the property is via a gated private road shared with a resort and 3 other private properties. Access to the site is from the west through a gate that opens into a 500 square foot parking area. You then descend to the main villa along a short, wide walkway with spaces on either sides suited for small lawns or sit-outs. A spacious porch then leads you into a very large living room that opens out to the east into an 8-foot by 60-foot covered balcony. The balcony overlooks a 4,000 square foot flat area below that can serve as a large private garden or outdoor experience space. As you turn around and walk back in, to your left towards the south are 2 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms. On the other side of the living room, towards the north, you have a large dining room and a spacious kitchen. The construction is Vastu compliant. Being at 1,950 metres at the edge of a mountain spur, the property terrace offers jaw-dropping 270-degree unimpeded panoramic view of the Nilgiris. You can even see the Metapalayam Plains 20 kilometres away. All ownership documents are assured to be in order, and the property is free from encumbrances. The property is owned by a retired army officer. If interested, you can call him at 9880 102 063. The asking is 2.9 crore rupees. That's rupees 2 crores and 90 lakhs.